Alright, YouTube, we're out here on the messing with the skeeter boat today. We're going to replace this 5-gallon fuel tank, put the original stock tank back in it. We're going to try to trace some wires. There's a lot of wires cut on this thing. And we'll just take you along as I go. This is the fuel tank they got in there now. And then we're going to put the original stock tank and everything else back in it. Maybe replace this dry rot fuel on here. Clean this tank area out some, and I see there's an aerator line cut there. The boat's not in bad shape. It's just somebody really hacked it up and Mickey Moused it. The boat itself is, I mean, it's still in pretty good shape. It's got some ice on it from setting, but we're out here in the redneck carport today, and I'll update you when I get these tanks switched out. Alright, YouTube, so I want to put I was going to put the factory tank back in here, but there's a lot more Mickey Mouse stuff in here than I thought. They got the 2 live well pumps tied together. I assume they weren't working, but I jumped both of them directly. Both of them work. There's a lot of wires cut up underneath the dash. So the tank might not get in today. It looks like it's going to be a trip to Home Depot to get some wiring, some wire connectors, maybe some grease packs, keep stuff from getting wet. Alright, YouTube, I forgot to film an outro for that video earlier, so we'll do it now. It got late, got cold, snow started coming in, so I decided to hang it up for today. We'll be back at it tomorrow and see if we can get that wiring figured out. Thanks.